Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the taskbar of your Windows is not working. So if the taskbar is not working, then you cannot access into the start button, the Windows search bar and all the icons on your taskbar. So how can we fix that? Let's go quick into the process. Now press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then you have to click on the settings icon since we cannot access into the start button and the Windows search bar. Now here you have to look for personalization, the one with a like a brush symbol that's under network and internet. Scroll down and you will find taskbar behavior system pins. And then we need to look for taskbar behaviors. Click on this drop down arrow. Make sure that automatically hide the taskbar. This is disabled, or you haven't selected this option, automatically hide the taskbar. Now once this is ensured, close the window. Then you have to press Control plus Shift plus Escape keys on your keyboard to open the Task Manager window. It's Control plus Shift plus Escape keys on your keyboard to open the Task Manager window. Now, once the Task Manager is opened, go to the search bar and then simply type Explorer. You will find Windows Explorer. All you have to do is make a right click and then you have to select Restart. Close the Task Manager window. The icons on your taskbar will disappear for a while and will be back. So simply see if that fixed your issue. Well, of course, that will. And for the final method, we also need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our Windows operating system. So how can we do that? Press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then you have to click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So this will check, download, and install the latest updates for your Windows. And once you're updated, close this and then press the Windows key. Right click on the power button and then you have to select Restart. And that's it. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.